In this video, we are going to be installing Jupyter Notebook on our Windows 11. But first, we need Python installed on our system. To install Python, first open up your web browser, go to google.com and type download Python, press enter, go to the first link where it says download Python. Here under downloads, click on Windows. When you're on this page, you have the option to download different versions of Python. But for the purpose of this video, I'll be downloading the latest version. So click on latest Python 3 release. Scroll to the bottom of the page, and here you will see Windows installer 64-bit, which is recommended. Click on that and your download of the installer will start. Wait for the download to get finished. When the download is finished, open the folder that your file got downloaded to, and I can now confirm Python 3.11.5 has been downloaded. Click on the file 2 times. Make sure to add python.exe to path. Checkmark this box and click on install now. After the installation is finished, click on close, and now go to the search bar and type terminal and press enter to open the terminal of Windows. Now let's again confirm which version of Python we are using with the command python space dash dash version and press enter. Now I can confirm that Python 3.11.5 has been downloaded and installed successfully. Now let's install Jupyter Notebook with the command pip install Jupyter. Here pip is the package manager of Python. So after typing in the command pip install Jupyter, press enter and your installation will start. Wait for the installation to get finished. After the installation is finished, you can close the terminal. And now we're going to create a folder in our desktop. Right click under new, click on folder. You can name the folder anything you want. I'm going to name my folder Jupyter Projects. Go inside the folder, right click and click on open terminal. And now we're going to start Jupyter Notebook inside this Jupyter Projects folder. So type Jupyter space notebook and press enter. And I can now confirm that my Jupyter Notebook has started successfully. Click on new, under new, click on notebook. Here select kernel for, keep Python 3 selected and click on select. Here change the untitled to the name of the project that you want. I'll call it first project. Click on rename. And now if I go back to my folder, I can see my project exists. So that is how you install Jupyter Notebook on Windows 11. Thank you so much for watching the video.